Dito po, one of the oldest din ng Brampton. Mga kakampi po natin yan, mga kaibigan po natin. Sige, sino ho gusto niyong unang magsalita? Vitus?
For Gina?
Good evening, everyone. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We're from Brampton Filipino Seniors Club, BFSC. And we also have our Wednesday group. Every Wednesday we do our line dance exercise, chair exercise, line dancing, and also we have our meeting as usual every third Saturday of the month. We also have our projects, the casino, and we are the newly elected officers of join us.
Okay, you are invited. If you want. It's at Willisley Community Center. That is January 3rd, 2026. Actually, my birthday is January 1. But since our monthly meeting is falls on Saturday, so I will celebrate. So, those who you are all invited, okay? From 1 o'clock up to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, ito po yung silayan, the oldest ho. Si Sir Ben, when I met him when he was first brand new person, immigrant, an accountant, nakita ko leader. Totoo po yan. Ako po nag-promote sa kanya doon ho sa Knights of Rizal hanggang sa siya ho yung ginawa kong area commander ng buong Metro Toronto. At hanggang ngayon, nagse-service po siya sa kanyang community to our community, Filipino-Canadian. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, Sir Ben Ferrer. Ngayon, alam ko lahat kayo, mga leaders din. So habang kumakain kayo, pakilala.